Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you a simple way to batch download multiple PDF documents from cloud storage to your hard drive. Problem explanation. If you've tried downloading multiple files at once, you may have noticed that the option is sometimes not available. This usually happens when the files are shared or restricted. Important note. So here's the key point. You cannot download multiple files together if they are shared. But don't worry, I found a partial solution that works. Remove sharing. First, go to your cloud storage. Now select a file and check if it is shared. If yes, remove the sharing settings. You need to do this one by one for each file. Yes, it takes some time, but this step is important. Select multiple files. Once sharing is removed, now try selecting multiple files together. You can use Ctrl+click to select several documents. Download files. Now right-click and click on Download. This time, it will work. All selected files will be downloaded as a single zip file. But keep in mind, there are some limits. You can download around 20 PDF files at once. Also, downloading a full folder may not work. Conclusion. So yes, it's not a perfect solution, but it's still better than downloading files one by one. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.